common comprehension of general information and about the church.
And the judging criteria: conversational skill, personality, confidence, and sense of knowledge. Okay, paano ba ang ating questions?
Okay, we will pick a contestant number, and then the contestant will come forward, and then she will pick a number from the jar, representing the judge who will ask the question to her. Okay, and then she will be given between 2 to 3 minutes to answer the question. Can we start now?
Okay, beautiful young lady.
Let us call candidate number 1. Please come forward. Okay, quiet please. Pumunod po tayo ng number ng candidate na tatawagin. Okay, candidate number 1, please go back to your position.
Sino kaya ang ating pipiligan dito? Let me check. This is candidate number 8.
Candidate number 8. Okay, let us now have the judge or the judge.
Okay, and the question will be given by judge number 3.
Congress Matakot.
Silence, please.
You to define the meaning into eyes. If you had to define your mission in life, what would it be and why?
Good evening, everyone, and good evening to you. I have to define my mission in life. It would be, I want to be a successful someday in my chosen career to help my family and my friends who supported me here. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 8.
Thank you. Next.
And we have another candidate. This is candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2, please come forward. Please speak for a judge. Judge number 2, Attorney Ronald Solis.
Okay.
Good evening, candidate number 2.
Good evening, sir.
Are you ready for your question?
Yes, I'm confident.
Here's your question. If you have lived as the late Princess Diana or Mother Teresa, which would you have preferred? And why?
Thank you for that question, sir. Before anything else, good evening to each and everyone. For me, I would prefer Princess Diana. Why? Because we all know that Mother Teresa is a living saint. I chose Princess Diana so I could find a room for a change. I could correct all her mistakes and I could do more better than Mother Teresa, who is a living saint. Thank you.
This is candidate number 10.
Please pick your judge.
And this is for judge number 2 again.
Attorney Ronald Solis.
Good evening, candidate number 10.
Good evening, sir.
You look very pretty in your gown. My question to you, aside from the members of your family, who would be your personal hero and why?
Thank you for that beautiful question, sir. Well, for me, aside from my family, my personal hero is God. Because God is always there for me. He always pick me up and He always accept my mistakes. That's all. Thank you.
Again, thank you, candidate number 10.
Thank you.
Moving on to another candidate. And this time, this goes to candidate number 6.
Candidate number 6, please come forward. Pick the judge who will ask the question.
Sorry, we don't have a judge number 5. And again, number 5. This time, for judge number 1.
Judge number 1, Director Lozano.
Judge number 6. Mr. Question. What has been the most significant accomplishment in your life and why?
Thank you for that wonderful question, ma'am. The greatest accomplishment that I have in my life is to have overcome all the challenges that I have in my life. I have learned from mistakes, and these mistakes, Ladies and gentlemen, from these mistakes, I have learned to live and stand up and be confident enough to face all of you here in San Isidro, Labrador. I am confident that whatever my life is and my past experiences was, I have a believer that these challenges will help me to build and develop myself, not only in the present time, but also in the future. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 6. Next.
This time, I'm calling candidate number 1.
Please pick your judge.
It is for judge number 2.
Hello, candidate number 1.
Hello, sir.
Can you please answer this question? How can we better promote volunteerism in our parish?
Thank you for that question. Good evening, sir. Volunteerism must start from ourselves. Everyone must have an initiative to live for the betterment of our parish, so everyone will follow. Anyone can lend a hand. No one is so poor that he or she cannot share or give. And
Dahil sa kabila ng lahat ng ating napagdadaan ng problema, nauuha pa rin natin ngumiti, magpakumbaba at makisama ng maayos sa ating kapwa. Dahil naniniwala tayo mga Pilipino na hindi tayo bibigyan ng Diyos ng mga pagsubok na hindi natin kayang lagpasan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you. Next.
This time, it's candidate number 11.